Hi, we got some game-changing news today. Sending crypto in Telegram just got ridiculously easy, and Snoop Dogg just broke the internet with a massive NFT drop. Let's dive in. First up, you can now send crypto in Telegram chats with App Push powered by MyTown Wallet. Say goodbye to clunky wallet apps and hello to smooth on-chain transfers right inside Telegram. With Push by MyTown Wallet, sending crypto is now as easy as messaging a friend. Just type App Push USDT or tongue/my in any chat, your DM, group chats, even your channels, and complete the transfer in a few taps. It's as simple as it sounds. So, why is App Push a game changer? Well, here's what makes it so cool. Real-time price checking. Enter amounts in US dollar, euro, or crypto. It just works. Smart splitting. Need to split a bill? Try App Push 100 divided by 2 USDT. Add a personal touch. Include messages and emojis with your transfers. Fully compatible. It works with all Town wallets. Beginner friendly. You can send to Telegram contacts. No wallet needed upfront. Truly decentralized. It uses open source smart contracts on the Town blockchain. Ready to try it? Type AppPush1 in a chat with a friend right now. Next up, a story that's making huge waves. Snoop Dogg's Telegram NFT drop raises $12 million in just 30 minutes. Hip-hop icon Snoop Dogg just reignited NFT mania with a blockbuster launch on Telegram, selling nearly 1 million collectibles in under just 30 minutes and raising $12 million while at it. The drop features signature Snoop-style art and marks a massive win for Telegram's collectible gifts. Here are the highlights. 996,000 NFTs sold in 30 minutes. $12 million in sales on launch day. A new Snoop track, Gifts, was dropped alongside the collection. Town blockchain minting and secondary trading go live in 14 days. The Telegram NFT market has hit a $200 million plus market cap. With the plush Pepe OGs trading over 4,000 Tong and hype building across social media, this could mark the return of NFT season, powered by Telegram and the Tong blockchain. Is this the start of a new wave, or just a flash in the pan? Either way, the game has changed. That's all for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.